This is the home page of the beta version of the Water Balance Model Express for the District of North Vancouver. To start using the tool, click the Get Started button. You will be prompted to log in with your username and password. If this is your first time using the tool, you must sign up for a free account. Enter your information and click Login. Read through the terms of use and click I agree. This is the My Projects page. You can have multiple projects running at the same time. You will use the information you gathered in the first part of your assignment from the GeoWeb tool in your project here. To start a new project, click the Create a Project button. You will be prompted to fill in some information about the site you are using in this project. Hover your mouse over the question mark to get some more detailed instructions for each field. Go ahead and assign a name and description to your site. You can adjust the soil type and depth using the scroll bars. Enter the property dimensions here. Under Zone Identifier, click the field, and a map of the District of North Vancouver will open. Click the Lynn Valley area. Another window will open where you can select the zone where your property is located, Lynn Valley Town Center in red, and surrounding residential areas in green. This will assign the correct performance targets to your project. Then click the Create My Project button. You are now at the Site Builder screen. Here is where you can add different components to your property, such as buildings, a driveway, and also various green infrastructure. Let's add a building to our property. We do this by clicking and dragging the building box down into our project field. You can name and define the size of the building in the pop-up window. You can adjust the footprint of the building to see how runoff is affected. The gauge on the left-hand side of the screen will change depending on the different components you add to the property. It provides an indication of local stream health based on the types of development. The ideal result is in the green area. Let's now add an infiltration swale with storage to the property. Just as with the building, you can name and define the size of the infiltration swale. You can adjust several different variables related to this infiltration swale to adjust its capacity. By connecting it to the building, you can see how the stream health gauge moves into the orange, meaning it's improving. This is because all the building's runoff is now being infiltrated on site. You can try many different combinations of components on your property to visualize different scenarios. You can save your changes by clicking this button. You can print the features of your project by clicking the Print button. This lists all the components you have entered and the respective gauge outputs. Because this is a beta version, you must print from your web browser. You now have an introduction to the features of the Water Balance Model Express. You can use this tool to complete your first assignment.